Welcome students. In this video we are going to discuss some of the very important questions which are going to come in your board exam, that is your 10th class final exams. So if you practice these problems which I am going to explain now, so it will be more than enough. If you are very perfect in these problems, then definitely you are going to pass the exams. So without wasting any time, now let us start the very important questions. So first of all, let us see the first question. The first question is related to graph. So the first question is that draw the graph of the given polynomial and find the zeros, justify the answers. First thing is that you have to draw the graph, find the zeros and justify the answers. Now let us see how to draw the graph. So the question is x square minus x minus 12. So for this we have to draw the graph. You draw a table like this. In this we are taking x values and here we are taking y values. So x values we are taking as minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2 and plus 3. So these are our values which we are taking. That is x values we have to take, and next we have to find the y value. So y value will be like this. So y is equal to x square minus x minus 12. So here I am taking x is equal to 0. So what I have to do? I have to substitute the value of x, that is 0, wherever x is there. So I will be substituting 0 square minus 0 minus 12. So 0 square is nothing but 0 minus 0 minus 12. So I will be getting minus 12. So y is equal to how much? Minus 12 for the value of x is equal to 0. So I will write here minus 12. So similarly I will do for x is equal to 1 also. So now I am taking x is equal to 1. So in place of x I am writing 1 here. 1 square minus 1 minus 12. So 1 square is nothing but 1 minus 1 minus 12. So here 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 minus 12. So y is equal to minus 12. So here again I am getting y is equal to minus 12 for the value of x is equal to. So I write minus 12 in y place. So I will find out for x is equal to 2. So I will take y is equal to x square minus x minus 12. So here x is equal to 2. So I will substitute the value of 2 here. 2 square minus 2 minus 12. So I will get 4 minus 2 minus 12. So 4 minus 2 is nothing but 2 minus 12. So I will be getting minus 10. So y is equal to minus 10 for the value of x is equal to 2. So similarly I will calculate for x is equal to 3. So here I will get x is equal to 3. So 3 square minus 3 minus 12. So 3 square is 9. 9 minus 3 minus 12, which is nothing but 6 minus 12. So I will get minus 6. So y is equal to minus 6 for the value of 3. So similarly now I will calculate for minus 1. So y is equal to x square minus x minus 12. So I am taking x is equal to minus 1. So I will calculate here x is nothing but minus 1 square. So here you have to remember, if I am taking the values of minus 1, you better keep it in brackets. So for your easy calculation, you better keep it in brackets. So I'll write minus. So x how much? Minus 1. So I'll write it as like this. So minus 1 square is nothing but how much? If I write minus 1 square is nothing but minus 1 into minus 1. So 1 into 1, 1. Minus into minus, plus. So here I'll get 1. So now minus into minus, plus. Plus 1 minus 12. So I'll get 2 minus 12. So I'll get y is equal to minus 10. So this is our value for minus 1. So I'll write here minus 10. Now let us calculate for x is equal to minus 2. So here y is equal to x square minus x minus 12. So I am taking x is equal to minus 2. So I will substitute minus 2 square, keeping it in bracket, minus 2 minus 12. So here minus 2 square is nothing but 4, minus into minus, plus 2. So 4 plus 2, 6 minus 12. So y is equal to minus 6, or the value of x is equal to minus 2. So I will get here minus 6. So similarly, y is equal to x square minus x minus 12. X is equal to minus 3. So minus 3, keep it in bracket. So this is minus 3 minus 12. So minus 3 square is nothing but 9. Minus into minus, plus. So I will get 12 minus 12. So y is equal to 0, for the value of minus 6. So here we got the values. These are the values which we got. So this is our first value, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh. Now with the help of these values, we have to plot a graph. Okay. Now let us see how to plot a graph. So if you plot the graph, you will get a graph like a parabola. So I will show it how you will get the graph. So this is x-axis and this is our y-axis. So here I am taking the points. So this is our 0, this is 1, 2, 3. So this one will be minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. Okay. So similarly the maximum value is 12 here. So I will take the points as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So similarly here also I will take minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, minus 10 and minus 12. So here you have to remember one thing, that these values, the y values, depends on the values which you are getting. For example, if you are getting the maximum value is 50 here, so you can't take 2 here. So instead of 2 you have to take 5. Okay, so you have to adjust the y values according to the y values which you are getting. So now let us plot the graph. So for 0 we'll plot. So x is equal to 0, so you are getting the point at minus 12. So this is our, so similarly for 1 also you are getting, 1 is how much? Here also you are getting minus 12. So this is our 1 value, minus 12. So similarly for 2, we are getting the value of minus 10. So minus 10 is nothing but here. So this is our point here. Similarly 3, I am getting minus 6. So if I come here, I have to stop here 6. So this is my point. So here for minus 1, now let us see, minus 1 you are getting minus 10. This is our point. Minus 10 we are getting minus 10. So this is minus 10. So for minus 2 we are getting minus 6. So this is our minus 6. Okay. Next for minus 3 we are getting 0. So this is our point. So now if you join these dots, so I will be getting a graph like this. You can see here the graph is cutting here. So better we'll take one more value, that is we'll take here one more value, that is 4. So we'll get y is equal to x square minus x minus 12. X is equal to 4. So I am substituting this value 4 square minus minus 4 minus 12. So 16 minus 4 minus 12. 16 minus 4 is 12. So 12 minus 2 is 0. So I am getting y is equal to 0 for the value of 4. So what I will do, I will take this 4 here. So this is our 4. So what I am getting, for 4 I am getting the value of 0. So this is our graph. So here you can see we are getting 2 zeros. So this is minus 3 and 4. So these are the 2 zeros which we are getting. So the equation has 2 zeros. They are minus 3 and 4. So here you have to write the polynomial x square minus x minus 12 has 2 zeros. So the zeros are minus 3 and 4. So this is our answer. And here above you have to write the scale, what scale you have taken. So for that, so we'll write the scale here. So the scale is x-axis, y-axis. So I will write a scale by taking a box like this. So here I will take x-axis. So x-axis I am taking 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. So why? Because 1 centimeter is 1 unit. For example, this is our box. So in the graph you have many boxes like these, cubes. So 1 centimeter is equal to how much? 1 unit. Similarly, for y-axis, 1 centimeter I am taking it as 2 units. So this is our final graph. So you have to mention the scale, you have to write the answer, you have to show the graph. For all these things, if you are doing it correctly, you will get full marks. In the problem is also asking us to justify. So how to justify? Let us see how to justify. So we will justify. Justify is nothing but verify. So we will take x square minus x minus 12 is equal to 0. So this is our polynomial. So now we will try to split the middle term. So for that, what you have to do, multiply the last one with the first term. So you will get 12x square. So you have to take the factors of this 12 so that we should get the value of middle term. So here I will take 4x and 3x. So 4 3s are 12. So but here minus is there. So I will take minus for the greater number and plus for the smaller number. Why? Because minus 4 plus minus 3 I will be getting minus 1. Okay. So now I will remove this minus x here and I will write x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 12 is equal to 0. So if I further simplify, I will take x as common. So I will write x minus 4. So I will take an x minus 4 here. I will simply copy this one. X minus 4 is equal to 0. So here plus is there. So I will take 3 here. So the zeros are x minus 4 is equal to 0 and x plus 3 is equal to 0. So if I solve further, I will get 0 plus 4, that is 4. X is equal to 4. So similarly, I will get x is equal to 0 minus 3. So that is nothing but x minus 3. So here you can see, when I am mathematically doing, I am getting the zeros as minus 3 and as well as minus as well as 4. So minus 3 and 4 are the zeros mathematically as well as graphically. So this is our justification. So the next important question is, find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomial and verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficients. So for example, our question is this one, x square minus 2x minus 8. So this is our question. So we have to verify. So now let us see how to solve this polynomial. So first of all, you have to split the middle term. So I will get 8 into x square. How much? I will get 8x square. So you have to take the factors of this 8 so that I should get the minus 2 as the value. So here I will be taking 4 2s are 8. So I will take 4x, 2x. So remember here, as I am having minus here, so I will take greater number minus the smaller number as plus 2x. So now I will remove this minus 2x. Instead of this, I will be writing minus 4x plus 2x. So I will write x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. So I am taking the common x as common. So I will get x minus 4. So similarly, simply copy this x minus 4 here. And plus is there, write plus here. 2 is there, simply write 2 here. So the zeros will be x minus 4 and x plus 2. So here I will write x is equal to 4. Minus is there, if it comes this side it will become 4. So x is equal to minus 2. So these are the two zeros which I am getting. Now we have to find out the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. So for that we have to take first sum of zeros. So sum of zeros how much? 4 plus minus 2, that is nothing but 2. So next you have to take product of zeros. So product of zeros is nothing but 4 into minus 2. 4 into minus 2 is nothing but minus 8. So I will calculate this by using the formula for sum of zeros. So you are having a formula minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of